Good morning, students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject Mathematics, term 2, chapter number 4. And the name of the chapter is Shapes and Pattern. This is our lecture number 4. Today's topics are number 1, properties of cylinder shape, number 2, properties of cone shape. So, beta, today we will learn about cylinder shape properties and cone shape properties. So, let's start. Now, beta, I'm going to show you one cylinder shape object. Okay, so for that, I have a water bottle. Okay, now, beta, I will tell you that how we can count the number of faces, edges, and vertices. So let's start. So here you can see that this is the curved face, beta. Goal face, curved face. So one curved face it has. Now this is the plane face. Okay. So one and one, two. And here the third face. So how many faces a cylinder shape object has? That is three faces. Two plane face and one curved face. Now I will tell you that how many edges are there. So here you can see that this curved edge, okay, this curved edge joins these two faces, है ना, इस plain face को और curved face को इस line ने join किया. It means this is the one edge, okay, and here this edge is joining this and this face. So here second edge. So how many edges it has? That is two edges, okay, and how many vertex it has? It doesn't have any vertex, okay, it doesn't have any vertex. Understood, beta? Now, beta, this is the notebook page. Okay, and now I will tell you that how you can draw a cylinder shape on this. So first of all, you have to make two lines format like this. Then you have to write date here, and today's date is 25/9/2020. After that, you have to write day, and today is Friday. Okay, and this is our CW, so here we will write CW. Then in between, we have to write the number of the chapter, and that is chapter number 4. And after that, we have to write name of the chapter, shapes and patterns. And here we want to make cylinder shape, so here we will write cylinder. Now to draw cylinder shape, beta, we have to draw a standing line. Okay, here we will make a standing line on four lines. Four lines की हमने एक standing line बनाई है. After leaving two columns, we have to make another standing line. Okay, like this. Now we have to make a curved line like this in between these two lines. Okay, like this. And here at the bottom again, we have to make like this. Clear? Now, beta, we have to count that how many faces a cylinder shape has. So here you can see that this is the curved face. Okay. So here we will write the curved face. C-U-R-V-E-D, curved, F-A-C-E, face, curved face. Now this is the plane face. Okay, so here we will write plane face, P-L-A-N-E-F-A-C-E, plane face. Here at the bottom, again we have one plane face. So here we will write plane face. So how many faces a cylinder shape has? That is 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, two plane faces and one curved face. Understood, beta? So how many faces a cylinder shape has? That is three faces. Now we will learn about its edges. I told you earlier that where two faces meet, edge formed. जहाँ पे two faces मिलते हैं बेटा, और जो line उसको मिलाती है, that is called the edge. So here this is the plane face and this is the curved face, and this line joins these two faces. So this is the edge. Okay, So here we will write H. This is the curved edge beta. And again here at the bottom you can see this curved face and this plane face joined by this line. So this is again the edge. So here we will write edge. So how many edges a cylinder shape has? That is 2. But there is no corner or no vertex. Understood, beta? Now, properties of a cylinder. Okay. So here, number 1, we will write it has 3 faces, 2 plane face and 1 curved face. Okay. Number 2 property is it has 2 edges. It has 2 edges. It does not have any vertex or corner. Okay, beta? So in cylinder shape, what are the properties? It has 3 faces, okay, 2 plane face and 1 curved face. It has 2 edges. It doesn't have any vertex. Now beta, I am going to show some cylindrical shaped objects. Okay, so let's start here at number 1. This is a which object? Water bottle. Okay, so here we will write water bottle. W-A-T-E-R water. B-O-T-T-L-E bottle. Water bottle. Number 2. This is a candle. Cylindrical shape candle. C-A-N-D-L-E candle. Next one is these are cells. C-E-L-L-S cells. Okay. Number 4. This is a Coca-Cola and we call it can. C-A-N-E can. Understood, beta? So now beta, I am going to show you one cone shape object and then we will know that how we can count the number of faces, edges and vertex in that. So here I have a birthday cap. Okay, now we will count that how many faces it has. So here you can see that this is the face of this cap. Okay, and this is the curved face. Okay, curved matlab golai wala face. Okay, now this is the plain face. So how many faces? This has 1 and 2. One plain face and one curved face. Now I am going to tell you that how many vertex it has. Vertex means corner. So here only one vertex is there. Okay, beta? So in cone shape object only one vertex is there. Now we will count the number of edges. So here I told you earlier that which joins two faces, that is the edge. So here one face is curved and one face is plain and this line joins these two faces. So this is only the edge. It means only one edge in this cone shape. Understood, beta? Now beta, I will show you how you have to make cone shape on this notebook page. So let's start. First of all, you have to make two lines format like this. Then here we will write date and today's date is 25/9/2020. Then here we will write Friday and CW. In between chapter number 4, shapes and patterns. Now here we will write cone because we want to make cone here. So let's start. So we will start from this point like this. Okay, one slanting line. ठीक है बेटा, slanting line हमें इस तरह से draw करनी है and again we will make another slanting line like this, V shape. You have to make V shape, okay, by taking two slanting lines. Now we have to make a curved line like this, okay, here. And now we will count that how many faces this cone shape has. Okay, so number 1, this is the curved face like this. जो ये हमारा कोन होता है इसका curved face है ये. So here we will write CURVED curved face and this is the plain face. Okay, so here we will write plain face. Now the next one is the H. Okay, so here plain face and curved face meet together and it makes an H. Okay, after that we have to count how many vertex it has. So here this is the vertex beta. So here we will write one corner. Okay, so in this cone shape we have two faces, one curved face and one plain face, one edge and one corner or vertex. Understood? Now properties of a cone. So it has two faces, one curved face and one plain face. Number two, it has only one edge and it has only one vertex. Understood? Now beta, cone shape objects. So now I am going to show you some cone shapes. Okay, so let's start. Here, this is the cap beta. Okay, we called it birthday cap. BIRTHDAY birthday CAP cap. Birthday cap. And the next one is, this is a carrot. CARROT carrot. Now the next one is, yes, but you can call it, these are the traffic cones. ठीक है बेटा, जहाँ पे ट्रैफिक होता है वहां पे ये कोन्स लगाए जाते हैं, तो these are called traffic cones. Understood? TRAFFIC traffic, CONE cone, S cones, traffic cones. And here the next one is the ice cream cone. So here we will write ICE, ice, CREAM cream, CONE cone, ice cream cone. Now beta, we will learn new words. Okay, so let's start today's new words. Number one is cylinder. 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 फिर से बोलो मैम के साथ, CYLINDER. cylinder. Okay, now the next one is CONE cone. CONE cone. The next one is curved. 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 Curved की spelling बेटा you have to learn. CURVED. Curved. Now the next is plain. PLANE. Plain. PLANE. Plain. SHAPE. Shape. Curved shape, plain shape. Okay. The next is VERTEX. Vertex. अगर सिंगल होगा, अगर सिंगल कॉर्नर है बेटा, then you can call it vertex. 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 Corner. और अगर बहुत सारे कॉर्नर्स हैं, then how we will call it? Vertices. VERTICES. फिर से बोलो, VERTICES. Vertices. Next one is traffic. 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 Next is carrot. 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 Carrot means gajar. Next one is birthday. 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 So beta, you have to learn all these spellings. Okay. Now today's homework, draw cylinder and cone shapes in your notebook. Learn and write its properties. So beta, today you have to draw cylinder and cone shapes, okay, with the proper format, okay, and you have to learn and write its properties, okay. Now beta, homework discussion of lecture number 3. I had given you two shapes, okay, cuboid shape and sphere shape. So let's discuss. Here is the notebook page. Here you have to write date 23/9/2020 because it was the homework of 23. Okay, then here day Wednesday and HW. Okay, in between you have to write chapter number 4 shapes and patterns. Now here we have to make cuboid shape. So again I am telling you how you have to draw the cuboid shape in the notebook page. So here first of all we will make a standing line, okay, like this, and then slipping line like this. So 2/4 का हम बना रहे हैं, जो लाइन्स हैं उनके ऊपर हमने स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई है एंड 4 लाइन्स जो है हमारी स्लिपिंग लाइन्स. Again 2 standing and 4 slipping lines. So here we have made a rectangle. After that again we have to make another rectangle, and for that again we will make 2 standing lines and 4 slipping lines like this. Okay, so now we have to meet the corners of these two rectangles like this, here like this, here like this, and here like this. Okay, so this is the cuboid shape. Now we have to write faces. Okay, so this is the face and edges. These lines are the edges here in this cuboid, and this is the corner. So here we will write corner. Now I will tell you its properties. Okay, properties of a cuboid. So this is a cuboid. Here number 1, it has 6 faces. It has 6 faces. Number 2, it has 12 edges. It has 12 edges. Number 3, it has 8 vertices or corners. Okay. Number 4, opposite edges of a cuboid are equal. Okay. So again I am telling you how many faces? 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices, and opposite edges, this edge is equal to this edge. Okay, and this edge is equal to this edge. This edge is equal to this edge. Understood? So opposite edges of a cuboid are equal. Now we will learn how to make sphere shape. So again, date 23/9/2020, day Wednesday, HW, chapter number 4, shapes and patterns. So sphere. Now here we will make a circle with the help of a bangle. So here I have a bangle. Okay. So hold this bangle and make a circle with the help of a pencil like this. You have to draw a circle like this beta. You can see the slowly you have to make the circle. After making the circle, you have to keep the bangle aside. Okay, now we have to make S shape like this. ठीक है, इसके बीच में हम एक S shape बना देंगे, अदरवाइज वो हमारा सर्कल लगेगा. Again one S shape, yes, like this. So this is the sphere object. Now you can say it ball also. So how many faces this has? It has only one face, one curved face. Okay, it has one curved face. I'm going to tell you the properties of a sphere. So here, first one is it has only one face. Number two, it does not have any edge. Number three, it does not have any vertex. Understood or corner? So again I am telling you the properties of a sphere shape. It has only one face. It does not have any edge. It does not have any vertex or corner. Understood? Thank you.